Initial public offering, Snowflakes, Unity Software, Jfrog, Sumo Logic, and the guys at CNBC have it that software business is on fire. This is going to be by far the biggest TA for software IPO in history. 4 big software IPOs are pricing in this week: Snowflakes, Unity Software, Jfrog, and Sumo Logic. Palantir and Asana are coming at the end of September. We already have the disclosure for Palantir. You can read that up. We will also try and get see if we can get the disclosures of these other ones. Snowflake priced at 190. Priced its IP at $120 per share. It raised in $3.3 billion previous price talk over the weekend had been at $75 to $85 per share, then raised to $100 to $110 per share on Monday. Jfrog priced 11.6 million shares at $44, also above the prior range of $39 to $41. Snowflake is not only the largest IP of the year, it's the largest software IPO ever at $3.3 billion raised. It is more than 3 times bigger than the next largest, VMware, in 2007, which raised $957 million. Put it all together, counting the 4 IPOs this week, software IPOs will have raised roughly $7.8 billion year to date, far exceeding the previous high of $5 billion in 2018, according to Renaissance Capital. And that doesn't include Palantir and Asana. What's going on? COVID and work from home has brought home the point that software on demand services are the future, and all those services rely on cloud services and data analytics. Santosh Rao, head of research at Manhattan Venture Partners, told the author of this piece, these companies provide the plumbing they're enabling the future economy we are going to have. While none of these companies provide unique services, all are tightly focused. Snowflake does data management. It allows companies to put all their data that's spread out across many platforms into Snowflake and make sense of them all. Jfrog also does software updating. It continually updates a company's software platform. They give the developers the tools to update their software. Unity Software does software for 3D games. Half of the top line games use this platform, and the CEO came from Electronic Arts. Sumo Logic also does that data analytics, but a very specific type. Kathleen Smith of Renaissance Capital calls it log management. They help study how customers interact with the company's website. Asana does project management software, founded by Facebook co-founder Dustin Moscowitz. With the tsunami of software IPOs, the high prices, comes the usual worries that valuations are getting out of control. Both Snowflakes and Jfrog have notably increased the size of their IPO offerings this week. Snowflake is going public at more than 81 times trading revenue. Matt Kennedy, senior IPO market strategist for Renaissance Capital, told the author of this piece, people will pay up for growth regardless of how much they are losing, he said, noting that Snowflake's revenue are growing 125% in the last quarter, but they're still losing money. Free cash flow loss of $132 million in the 12 months ending in July on revenue of $103 million. Okay, let's see if we can actually find these disclosures ourselves. Snowflakes. Okay, I think these guys have a link. They may have had a link to that up here. Let's see what that says here. Oh, it's not it. Something else. Okay, we should be able to. Let's see. Filings. Company filings. Snowflakes, that's it. So we will include the link to anything we find here. This is S8. That's what they have. It's got to the database of the SEC today. See, it's effective date. Okay. This is the file on S8. Okay, United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Snowflakes Inc. Calculation of registration fee and all that. Okay, anything on the financial here? Form of Class A common stock certificate. Okay, this is the certificate for Snowflakes. Okay, well, let's see if we can find more stuff. Initial statement of beneficial ownership of securities. Notice of exempt offering of securities. They have a lot. They have filed here. Okay, this is over the past few weeks. This is notice of effectiveness. We don't have any financial disclosures there. So let's try other ones. The other one will be Unity software. Okay, this is also filing date. It has the S1. Okay, this is more like it. This is S1A amended. Okay, that's what amended means. So they had to actually file it earlier on, date 9th of September. So let's see what's going on there. Okay, S1A, that's that. Complete submission text file. Okay, let's see here. Unity Software Inc. Okay, I think this is where much of those graphics lie. Those graphics we're seeing up here, that's they're part of this S1 disclosure. Let's see. We would really love to see any. Okay, this is the initial FS1. This was filed on the 24th of August. Let's see if there's any financial disclosures there. What are these? These are exhibits, but they can be of this. The volume can be so overwhelming. Let's see. These are just more disclosures. Yeah, there must be something somewhere concerning the. Okay, this might also still be the same thing. Okay, yeah, it's more disclosures. Okay, let's just keep going, and you will find the link to these disclosures below. The next one is Jfrog Limited. Okay, you have, okay, this was effective yesterday. Okay, this is S1, amended on the 14th of September. Amendment number 2 to S1. So sometimes these amendments occur after the SEC reviews, during or after an SEC review. So they may recommend that you go and disclose more, or whatever it is, make amendments. So that's why some of these things occur. That's why you can see that the first time they lodged some of these disclosures to go public was some weeks ago. So it takes time for this disclosures to go through, and it is when they disclose this review by the SEC. It is upon completion of the review that the market makers and the market participants begin to trade the equity publicly. But before that time, they will still be trading over the counter and not formally publicly. Okay, we are really struggling to find financial disclosures on some of these disclosures we have here. You can see this was also filed on the 24th of August. Get into a month now since that was done. That the reason, that while we're still here and they're not exactly or just about to start trading or thereabout, is because of definitely reviews taking place. Okay, yes. I think the problem was that we didn't have enough patience to go through all the other ones. This should provide us selected consolidated financial data. Okay, So this is what are we looking at here? Consolidated financial data. Okay, net loss per share attributable to ordinary shareholders, basic and diluted. We want to find the cash flow statement. This is a consolidated balance sheet. Balance sheet data. Okay, we just want to find how much they have, how much liquidity they have, and they are available to them, how much assets that can freely be sold, or how much cash they have, how much borrowing they have taken up. So this is, I think, income and profit and loss, I think. So they have a net loss of 426, and look at this, it says in the thousands, except shares and per share data. Okay, it's $426,000 as at the end of June 30th, 2020. They have a net loss of 426,000. And then weighted average shares used in, okay, no, those are not those are not money. Okay, we will include this link as well for you to look up. So the next one will be Sumo Logic. Sumo Logic. So okay, you can see they also have some disclosures. Okay, see, this is also the 24th of August. Okay, S1 registration statement, Sumo Logic Inc. Okay, selected consolidated financial and other data. Okay, this is a statement of operating data. Net loss of $223 million as at April 30th, 2020. This is consolidated balance sheet. Long-term debt 24.5 million, 24,250,000. Okay, free cash flow is 100. It's a negative $11.6 million as at end of April. Cash provided by financing activities 24.827 million. Is that the same as the figure we saw up here? Okay, long-term debt, almost the same. So that is related. So this is more probably from something else, from some other figures, from some other sources. Cash used in investing activities 486,000, and then cash used in operating activities $11.12 million. Okay. So you will find in the link in the text, in the description box below, the links to the S1 disclosures to these 4 companies, and so that you can read it up all yourself and digest them and decide if it is something you are going to jump in and get involved with. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't fail to subscribe. Click the subscription tag and the notification bell as well, so that you will be notified anytime we upload any video. Thank you very much. Thank you.